Good morning, everyone. I missed you so much. How are you? Great. Wish you all had a great weekend with the family. And thank you so much for sending me all your work for the last week. And I'm so proud of you, so happy from your work. Our lesson today will be also about the three-dimensional shapes like the last week. Okay? But this lesson today will be solving word problems, okay, to identify or to know which shape, okay? You did not learn at all about our strategy today, okay? This strategy today, we didn't talk about it before, so it's new for us. First, we have problem solving, okay? Our strategy is look for a pattern. Great, guys. I want you now to open the page 725, and hold your pencil, and let's remember together. What are our shapes we learned last week? I want the three-dimensional shapes. Do you know the three-dimensional shapes? Why did we call them three-dimensional shapes? Do you still remember it? It's because they have three dimensions. They have height, width, and length, right? And what are these three-dimensional shapes? What are they? They are cubes, rectangular prism, cone, and cylinder, right? These were our shapes we learned last week, right? We have learned cubes, rectangular prism, cone, and cylinder. Okay, let us start with the first word problem. Otis made a pattern with these shapes. Which shape is missing? Okay, the miss did not tell us what's the meaning of pattern first. The pattern is like when you use the same order of saying, let's say, the family name. I'm gonna use daddy, mommy, and baby. Okay? I will use daddy, mommy, baby. I'm gonna repeat it. Daddy, mommy, baby. I'm not gonna say daddy, baby, then mommy. No, I'm gonna keep saying my pattern in the same order, using the same order. Okay? So, daddy first, mommy second, baby last. I'm gonna repeat daddy, mommy, baby, daddy, mommy, baby. So, this is the pattern to repeat the same things but with the same order. Okay? So, our strategy, look for a pattern. Now, let's go back to our problem. Otis made a pattern with these shapes. Which shape is missing? We know before, to start solving any word problem, we need to read the word problem 3 times. Otis made a pattern with these shapes. Which shape is missing? This is my second time. Otis made a pattern with these shapes. Which shape is missing? So, first step is to understand by underlining what we know and to circle what we need to find. Let's see. What did we know? We knew that the character is called Otis. Otis made a pattern. Pattern means he is using the same order of shapes or the same order of something, okay? With these shapes. Look at the shapes. Cube, cube, rectangle. See? Rectangular prism. Then again, he started with the cube and he ended with the rectangular prism. He repeated cube, cube, then the last one was rectangular prism. Let's do it again. This is the first pattern, okay? This is the first sequence, sorry. Then he reused the same sequence again. Cube, cube, rectangular prism, So cube, cube, rectangular prism. This is the second sequence. So 1, 2. Now he's gonna repeat it again. He said cube, then there is something is missing here, and then rectangular prism. So cube, cube, rectangle, cube, rectangular prism, cube, cube, rectangular prism, cube, rectangular prism. What is this? What is this? Question mark. Now we underline the one that we know, okay, and we circle the question that we don't know. How will I solve the problem? I will find the pattern. Let's again look at the pattern again. As if that we are saying again, daddy, mommy, baby, daddy, mommy, baby, daddy, mommy, baby. Where's mommy here? I missed it. So cube, cube, rectangle, cube, cube, rectangular prism, cube, rectangular prism. What is this? You should know. If you want to repeat the same order, I miss here something. Circle the shape that missing. So what do I miss? It's a cube. Very good. Is my answer reasonable? Explain. This is the last step. Clear, ladies and gentlemen? So you can explain, why did you use a cube? Because I'm using the same pattern. I shouldn't change the shapes. Cube, cube, rectangular prism, then cube, cube, again rectangular prism, cube. It should be cube to be the same. Got it, guys? Put for my super student a big star. Now let's go to the next page. Let us apply the strategy together, okay? Practice it together. We will read together now. I want you please to read with me. Sophie made a pattern with these shapes. Which shape comes next? Sophie made a pattern with these shapes. Which shape comes next? Last time, I will underline now. Sophie made a pattern with these shapes. Okay, the character of our story is Sophie. And she made a pattern. Okay, look at the pattern down. Okay, now which shape comes next? This is the question. I need to find the answer for this question. I will circle it. Now, we did understand it. Now, let's plan. How will I solve the problem? Let's see. I will solve it by I will find the pattern. Okay, what's the meaning of the pattern again? This is R, okay? So you don't get confused. This is R. What's the meaning of pattern again? Pattern means to repeat the same thing with the same order. Okay, let's see. Look at the pattern up. Green cone, blue cylinder, yellow cone. Then again, green cone, blue cylinder, yellow cone. So you can see that you are repeating the sequence or the shapes 3 times. You are repeating green cone, cylinder, yellow cone. Green cone, cylinder, yellow cone. This is the second one. Again, green cone, blue cylinder, yellow cone. So this is the third one. Now if I want to make the fourth one, what should I draw here? Circle the shape that comes next. Green, blue, yellow. So I will always start with the green and always I will end with the yellow. Where do we put the cylinder? In the middle. Let's see. Here I'm done with the yellow. I should repeat from the beginning. So what should I choose? I will choose the one that I should start with, which is the green cone. Which is the green cone. This is the green cone. So I should start with this. Is my answer reasonable? Yes. Why? Because if I put this green up, I'm gonna repeat the same pattern. Clear, guys? Put a big star and a happy heart because you deserve it. Okay? Thank you so much. Let's go to the next page, 727. Okay, this page, my lovely and smart students will solve it alone. Why? Because it's super easy for them. Find a pattern to solve. June made this pattern. You need to look at the pattern carefully and then answer what shape is missing, circle it. These, now I'm gonna read the green boulders. These are Quinn's blocks. What shape is missing? Circle it. What shape comes next? Draw a box around it. Then last question number 3. Aiden made a line of blocks. Look at the line. What shape is missing? Circle it. Explain to a friend how you know. Use your sisters and brothers because they are also your friends, right? Now we're done from this page. I want you to go to the last page. We'll solve together. My super students, this question number 4. I'm gonna solve it with you. Yeah, I have one face. I have one vertex, so one face and one vertex. What shape am I? I have one face, I have one vertex. What shape am I? So let's remember the shapes we have learned. I have a cube, never a cube. Cube has many faces. Is it rectangular prism? No, it's also like cubes has many faces. I am confusing between the cylinder that has two circles up and down and the cone that has only one circle up and down. It is one vertex. I'm gonna change the color to make it so clear for you. Okay, let's see. Here I have two faces, this one and this one. One circle and two circles. So it's two faces. Is this one? No. They said one face here in this question. So this shape has one face. Okay, great. Let's see. I have one vertex. I should have one vertex according to this question. So let's see. This is the one vertex. The vertex is where two sides are meet, right? Are meeting. Yes? Yes. So what shape am I? I am a cone. Great job. Great job. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please continue solving this page alone. Thank you so much.